welcome back to my vlog. I'm Ellen if you're new here, and if you're old here, welcome back. I am in Mexico and it's my first proper day here, and oh god, it's so amazing. It's so beautiful, and palm trees and heat, and I'm so excited and so happy to be here. And we are driving 3 hours up the coast today to go to Playa Esmeralda, is that like Costa Esmeralda, to stay in a hotel overnight there. And I'm just going to take you guys along for my journey with me. I'll give you a hotel tour and stuff, and yeah, let's go. Also, I got the GoPro working, so let's do some swimming shots as well. If you've watched the first video, I'm in Veracruz in Mexico. If you haven't watched the first video, I'm here. My stepmom is from here, so we're here visiting her family. So it's very exciting, my first time in Mexico, all new and all exciting. We're in a mall now near where Lorraine's mum and sister live, and we're just picking up a Starbucks and then we're getting on the road. Hotel, but we're just waiting for check-in, which is at 3. And I actually have no concept of what time it is now whatsoever. It is about midday maybe? Oh no, it's 1 o'clock now. But my god, is it hot. It's like unreal heat. I should probably be standing in the shade, but I'm kind of embracing how sweaty and frizzy I am right now, to be honest. So yeah, the hotel looks lush, but I'll show you around properly when we check in. My face is sweaty. We're just waiting for our hotel room to be ready. Found a seat to sit on, and this place is just unreal. We had the most amazing lunch. It was like a fish restaurant, like seafood restaurant, and basically I had like prawns with garlic, and it was like honestly unreal, with like rice and plantain. Oh, so good, so good. But I'm so full now, ready to put my bathing suit on and like chill by the pool or something. We'll see. So swapped onto the GoPro to give this a go. My first time using it. I wonder how the sound is. I'm actually very curious. But yeah, taking it down to the beach. Hi guys, so we've just come back from the beach. I've put a little bit of makeup on and had a shower, but I always like to leave my hair because I love how the beach makes it look. But yeah, so in clean clothes and gonna go meet the guys at the restaurant area. But I thought I'd give you a room tour first. So we're staying in Taboga Eco, I think they're called Eco Lodges or something, and it's out in Costa Esmeralda in Veracruz, and it's not the most touristy area, so I don't know if you're watching this, you might actually just be from Mexico, because Veracruz is not the most touristy area. It might not be the place you'd come as a tourist, but oh, it's beautiful. And yeah, this hotel is gorgeous, so I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a room tour before we mess it up too much this evening when we go to bed. So yeah, I'll take you around the room now. So this is our bed, big king size thing. Yeah, massive, absolutely massive. Two little things either side. This room has aircon, but not all the rooms do. So there's ones out by the pool that don't have any aircon, but these ones do have aircon, thank God, because I don't know if I could sleep with no aircon. There's a little full-length mirror over there, two windows, there's the door, and then you've got this little kind of built-in wardrobe as well, where we've got our stuff. And then bathroom, which we kind of have messed up because we both had a shower, but bathroom, toilet, sink. Yeah, that's the bathroom area. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing now, this little Zara dress, and I've got my headband I've been wearing all day on still because I feel like it kind of tones down the frizz slightly, but I'm kind of living for how my hair looks. I don't even know if you can actually see how frizzy my hair is right now. Yeah, over here there's some really cool beds. So there's hammocks by the ocean here, and then over here there's these really cool beds as well. So you can lie by the ocean in total bliss. Look at it, it's under the ocean. It's beautiful. Chilling. The view of the beach, the sound of the beach, on hammock, everything. Oh, this lighting, kind of everything. I'm going to get something to eat for dinner now. These are the rooms I was talking about that don't have the aircon, but oh my God, they're so cute. So cute. Look at the one over there. Love it. No, I'm good, thank you. Marshmallows to put in the flames. So at this hotel they can do a bonfire for you and give you marshmallows. as well. It's called Fogata here. Fogata. That means bonfire, and this one's specifically for the hotel. And just pan around.
Mini club sandwich. Maybe I'll have that. Oh, that's for kids.
This all looks so good. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Taboga Eco Hotel. My hair is so crazy from the beach yesterday, but I thought I don't want to wash it because I'm going to the beach today. And we've just ordered breakfast. I'm having sopes, which is like tortilla with beans and cheese, and then we've got like a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Oh, the food here, man, is so good. And then we're gonna go off and have a swim after this. Maybe end this vlog here, just doing a little bit of sunbathing on the beach, going in the sea, and yeah, we are leaving Taboga Hotel today. We're just staying here for one night. We're going to a place called, I think it's called San Rafael next, but staying here was really amazing. It was kind of really different experience from like other hotels I've stayed in. Like it's made me realise like how spoiled you are in terms of places you stay with. There's like Wi-Fi in all the rooms, like TVs, like, and that kind of thing. Like, it's just that there's no Wi-Fi. It's like really like makes you shut off, which is really nice. And like literally like a walk onto the ocean. Yeah, it's just really amazing. Also it's all eco, so like the toilets and stuff, like you don't put the toilet paper in the toilet. Yes, but there was just kind of a little, like a few facts. There is Wi-Fi in like the main areas and stuff. So if that's something you look for in a hotel, then either don't worry about it or stay somewhere else, basically. So yeah, but I thought I'd let you go. And I'm running out of space and battery on this camera, so yeah, I will catch up with you in my next video. It'll be another Mexico video, of course. I'm gonna keep these and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.